Greetings. In the continuation of lecture 4, let us solve two more examples of inverse trigonometric functions. Example number 26. Y equal to tan inverse of 8x upon 1 minus 15 into x square. Find dy by dx. Earlier, we have seen different types of inverse trigonometric functions, and we have seen one type where if the inverse trigonometric function is there and inside there is some standard term, then we substitute it. But if you observe this 8x upon 1 minus 15x square, this is not a standard table term from the table. Hence, we cannot use the substitution over here. But from the formulae table, there is one formula, rather two formulas. Tan inverse of a plus b is tan inverse a plus tan inverse b upon 1 minus tan inverse of ab. गलत हो गया. Tan inverse of a plus tan inverse b equal to tan inverse of a plus b upon 1 minus ab. And for subtraction it is tan inverse of a minus b upon 1 plus ab. So we can use this if the terms are in tan inverse. So if you observe this sign, it is in the denominator minus, so it may be tan inverse of a plus b. So what we have to do, this 15x square, we have to write in product of two terms so that their addition is 8x. So we can split 15x square as 5x into 3x, that will be 15x square, and 5x plus 3x, that is 8x. So 15x square. So simplifying this using the formula, we can write it as tan inverse of 5x plus 3x divided by 1 minus 5x into 3x. That is it. If you compare with the formula, this is tan inverse a plus tan inverse b, with a equal to 5x, b equal to 3x. So that is equal to tan inverse of 5x plus tan inverse of 3x. Therefore, differentiating y with respect to x, we get dy by dx equal to tan inverse of 5x plus tan inverse of 3x. So derivative of this term can be obtained using u plus v rule. So tan inverse something का derivative 1 upon 1 plus something square into derivative of something. So 1 upon 1 plus 25x square into derivative of 5x, and derivative of 5x is 5. So simplifying this, we get first term as 5 upon 1 plus 25x square, whereas in the second term it is 1 upon 1 plus 9x square into derivative of 3x is 3. So simplifying, we get 3 upon 1 plus 9x square. So the final answer is 5 upon 1 plus 25x square plus 3 upon 1 plus 9x square. Next example. Y equal to cot inverse of 1 plus 35x square upon 2x. We don't have any formula directly for cot inverse, but we know that cot inverse x can be written as tan inverse of 1 upon x, again from the table. So this can be written as tan inverse of 2x upon 1 plus 35x square. So cot inverse x is tan inverse of 1 upon x. So simplifying this, we get 2x upon 1 plus 35x square. As in the denominator it is plus 35x square, it is a problem of subtraction, tan inverse a minus tan inverse b वाला. So we want to find two terms जिसका product 35x square है और subtraction 2x है. So simplifying this, we get tan inverse of 7x minus 5x upon 1 plus 7x into 5x. And that is equal to tan inverse of 7x minus tan inverse of 5x. So differentiating y with respect to x, we get d by dx of tan inverse of 7x minus tan inverse of 5x. So u minus v rule से करना है, tan inverse something का derivative 1 upon 1 plus 49x square into derivative of 7x is 7 minus 5 upon 1 plus 25x square. So till this we have studied how to find the differentiation of inverse trigonometric function using different types. Now next topic is logarithmic differentiation or differentiation using log. If the terms in y given are very complicated, like product of 3 to 4 terms or quotient or powers are given, so only 1 or 2 terms are given, we can find it using UV rule or U by V rule. But if more terms are given and the terms contain product, quotients, function raised to function is there, like we want to find derivative of x raised to x, there is no method formula till now we have studied for x raised to x. For such problems we apply logarithm. So what we will do, if the term contains a complicated functions like product, quotients, powers of functions, use a logarithm. Applying logarithm and simplifying the term, then differentiate the term. पहले log apply करना है, simplify करना है, and then differentiate करना है. Okay, let us see example based on this. Example number 28. Differentiate x plus 1 bracket square upon x plus 2 bracket cube into x plus 3 bracket raised to 4 with respect to x. So if you observe this term, it is every term containing power and also quotient is there, U by V rule. So to solve this using U by V rule, we can get the solution, but it is very lengthy process. But if you apply logarithm rule to this, we get simplified term. Like we know that log of a upon b is log a minus log b. Log of ab is log a plus log b, and log a raised to b is b log a. So such type of simplification we have to use. So let y equal to x plus 1 bracket square upon x plus 2 bracket cube into x plus 3 raised to 4. So differentiating, we get log y equal to log of x plus 1 bracket square upon x plus 2 cube into x plus 3 raised to 4. So first of all we have to use log a upon b, so that will be log x plus 1 bracket square minus log of denominator, that is x plus 2 cube into x plus 3 raised to 4. So simplifying this, we get 2 log x plus 1 minus 3 log x plus 2 minus 4 log x plus 3. Now look at the term, this is very simple than this one. So here we will differentiate both the side with respect to x, that is differentiating log y with respect to x. Now log y को differentiate करना है with respect to x. So y is your not x, it is something. So we have to use chain rule. So derivative of log y, log something will be 1 upon something into derivative of something. So 1 by y into dy by dx. If we differentiate log y with respect to y, derivative will be 1 by y only. But we are differentiating with respect to x, hence it is something. Therefore 1 upon something into derivative of something, that is 1 upon y dy by dx equal to 2 upon x plus 1 into 1, again log something का derivative, minus 3 upon x plus 2 into 1 minus 4 upon x plus 3 into 1. Therefore y जो है लेफ्ट हैंड साइड वाला वो राइट हैंड साइड में शिफ्ट करते हैं and replacing the value, we get dy by dx equal to y into 2 upon x plus 1 minus 3 upon x plus 2 minus 4 upon x plus 3, and the value of y is this. So simplifying this, we get the solution. Next example, example number 29. Cube root of 4x minus 1 upon 2x plus 3 minus 5 minus 2x bracket square. Again, if you observe, this is very complicated term, but this can be simplified using log. So y equal to this जो टर्म दिया है वो क्यूब रूट मतलब 1 upon 3 होता है, तो सबसे पहले 1 by 3 log of स्क्वायर रूट वाला क्यूब रूट वाला अंदर का टर्म रहेगा, एंड अप्लाइंग log we get 1 by 3 in bracket log 4x minus 1 minus log 2x plus 3 minus 2 log 5 minus 2x. So differentiating with respect to x, again log y का derivative log something 1 upon y dy by dx into 1 by 3 as it is. Log 4x minus 1 का derivative 1 upon 4x minus 1 into 4 minus log 2x plus 3 का 1 upon 2x plus 3 into 2 minus 2 upon 5 minus 2x into minus 2. So simplifying and substituting the value of y, we get dy by dx equal to 1 by 3 cube root of 4x minus 1 upon 2x plus 3 into 5 minus 3x square into 4 upon 4x minus 1 minus 2 upon 2x plus 3 plus 4 upon 5 minus 2x. Next example. Differentiate x raised to e plus x raised to x plus e raised to x plus e raised to e with respect to x. Now clearly this is the problem of addition function, but if you observe the terms, we can find the derivative of x raised to e easily using x raised to n वाला formula use करके. e raised to x का e raised to x, e raised to e का 0 constant. Now this term is remaining x raised to x. To find the derivative of x raised to x, we have to use logarithm. So let us assume that y equal to u plus v plus w plus z. So u equal to x raised to e, v equal to x raised to x, w equal to e raised to x, z equal to e raised to e. So clearly du by dx is e x raised to e minus 1, dw by dx e raised to x, dz by dx 0. So ये तीन derivative directly मिल गए. Let v equal to x raised to x, therefore applying log v equal to x log x. Therefore differentiate log v with respect to x. So again log something का derivative 1 upon v dy by dx equal to right hand side में uv rule use करना पड़ेगा x into log x का derivative 1 by x plus log x into 1. So x cancel out हो जाएगा. Therefore dv by dx is v into 1 plus log x. v का value है x raised to x into 1 plus log x. This is the value of dv by dx. As y equal to u plus v plus w plus z, therefore dy by dx is du by dx plus dv by dx plus dw by dx plus dz by dx. So replacing these values, we get e x raised to e minus 1 plus x raised to x into 1 plus log x plus e raised to x. In this example, we have applied logarithm to particular term, बाकी सब derivative आपके आ रहे थे. And the last example of this video, differentiate x raised to x plus e raised to x with respect to x. So again, if you observe, it is function raised to function, and we have to consider this as u plus v. So u is x raised to x, v is e raised to x. So पहले u consider करते हैं, दोनों साइड log apply करते हैं. So we get log u equal to x raised to x into log x. X raised to x into log x. But again, if you observe, this is x raised to x. So again we have to apply log to simplify this. So log of x raised to x into log x will be log x raised to x plus log of log x. So applying this, log of log u equal to x log x plus log of log x. So simplifying this, we get 1 upon log u into that we want to find derivative of log u. So log of something का derivative 1 upon log u into derivative of log u का derivative 1 by u du by dx. Hence left hand side का derivative 1 upon log u into 1 upon u into du by dx equal to first term में uv rule x into 1 by x plus log x into 1 plus log of log x का derivative 1 upon log x into derivative of log x is 1 by x. So simplifying this, du by dx will be u log u in bracket 1 plus log x plus 1 upon x log x. So value of u is x raised to x, value of log u is x raised to x log x. Substituting that, we get du by dx equal to x raised to x x into x raised to x log x into 1 plus log x plus 1 upon x log x. Similarly, differentiating v log दोनों side apply किया, then differentiating this, we get simplification value is this. So substituting we get this answer.